हेलो नमस्कार। खुश रहो बच्चों। आई एम जेवीएन डॉक्टर शाहनवाज आलम, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। Today we discuss about most important concept of microeconomics, business economics, and economics for managers. Today we we will discuss about the concept of cost and types of cost. It is accepted fact that the physical inputs or resources are important for enhancing production. However, tend to miss out on the financial aspect of these rules. Some of the most important decisions to business often relate to the cost of production instead of physical resources themselves. Hence, it is important for producer to understand cost analysis. Let us understand the general concept of cost. For that, literal meaning of cost is sacrifice expenses for any types of benefit that may be monetary and non-monetary. In a business, cost expenses the amount of monetary that is spent on the production or creation of a good or services. Cost does not include a markup for profit type of cost, broadly divided generally in two parts: implicit cost and explicit cost. All internal payment, that is the implicit cost, and all external payment by the producers, that is the explicit cost. We can explain separately. Implicit cost, the implicit cost. An implicit cost is any cost that has already occurred but not necessarily shown or reported as separate expenses. It is represented as opportunity cost that arises when a company uses internal resources toward a project without any explicit compensation for the utilization of resources. That means all the internal expenses by the producer, that is the implicit cost or explicit cost. The explicit cost also as actual cost is that cost actually occurred by the firm for making all the physical payments and construction. The physical payment include the cost of materials, labor, plant, equipment, building, technology, advertisement, etc. All the money expenses recorded in the book of account are for practical purposes. The actual or explicit cost. The cost come under the accounting cost concept, but implicit cost is not an accounting concept, as all the physical and easily recognized expenses incurred are recorded in some accounting book, which are then later analyzed to determine the efficiency with which the firm is operating. For example, suppose a firm purchased machinery worth 1 lakh rupees, then amount paid is the actual or explicit cost. The explicit or actual cost involve the direct monetary payment and is paid to external parties to keep in in-house operation of the business in motion. The explicit cost is in the form of rent, wage, commissions, salary, etc. which are recognized and can be easily recorded in the book of account. These recorded facts help to determine both the accounting and economic profit of the firm. The accounting profit is the profit obtained by subtracting cost explicit from the total revenue generated. The economic profit is the profit calculated as total revenue minus the total opportunity cost of the resources used. Since the economic profit includes the opportunity cost, implicit cost is it is lower than the accounting profit. Classification of cost on the basis of nature of cost. Classification of cost on the basis of nature of cost divided in various parts. Total cost. It refers to the total cost of production. It is summation of total fixed cost and total variable cost. Total fixed cost or fixed cost. It is cost fixed input used in the production. Variable cost or total variable cost. It is cost for the variable input used in the production. Marginal cost. Marginal cost is the additional cost incurred in the production of one more unit of goods and services. Average cost, that is it is also called per unit cost. The average cost is the per unit cost of the production obtained by dividing the total cost by total output by per unit of cost of production. You mean that all the fixed and variable costs taken into considerations for calculating the average cost. Thus, it is also called as per unit total cost. On classification of cost on the basis of decision making. On the basis of decision making, various economists classified cost into opportunity cost, economic cost, private cost, sunk cost. What is opportunity cost? Opportunity cost, various economics cost opportunity define economic cost is best alternative cost. That means the opportunity cost state that best alternative cost. We can define the best alternative cost. What if give up to get something? क्या आपने पाया क्या आपने खोया कुछ पाने के लिए वो अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट है सपोज ए स्टूडेंट suppose a student want to purchase a pen from Knee Point and ask to her friend and ask to her friend and offer one chocolate for the purchasing of pen. Economic cost, minimum level of cost for the any production, that is the economic cost. Private cost, all cost bear by the private hand, that is the private cost. Social cost, all costs bear by the society, that is the social cost. Sunk cost, any cost expenses, any expenses without any benefit, that is the sunk cost. Thank you.